You ready? Come on, I'm ready. Oh, it's a different. Put your hands on the wall and make me search you like a cop. If you resist, your rumpa get a slap. Hands behind your back, limit your mobility. Then me choke you like police brutality. Pull your hair, then whisper in your ear. Soft but clear, so everything you hear, you say, baby, please, can you put it in there? Me say no, me I go tease you till you beg me fi relieve your hour. Chapter 2 in the movie second act. Pretend like so you're sick, and I'm me at the doc. What are the symptoms? No Fred, can me have it lock. Now take this to the nurse, then come back for your shot. Or sit down in my lap. Me are the boss, you are the worker. Pop off the blouse, yeah. Wait, tear off the skirt, yeah. What you call that? Performance motivation? Or is it just plain old office molestation? That's the meditation. When you're in a relationship and you don't want it sink down in the ocean. Sometimes to please a woman, you have to change the station and tune into a different type of program. The girl them say them tired of the boring Monday. So if you hold them, you have to put it on them. Grab them and give it to them different. You have to know if you give it to them different. You give it to her hard and long. Feel so you're the man. Bring the money, come and then she still like give you but cause you not give it to her different. You have to know if you give it to her different. She said she tired of the bedroom. The bedroom. The bedroom, yeah. She now want to sit in no living room. No living room, it feel like a tomb, yeah. She want to go up on the veranda. The veranda, we at the neighbor, yeah. So me give her rid of the driveway. She not play in a broad day, yeah. She tired of the kissing up and the feeling up of city. Back and span the rooftop, overlook the city. Or lunchtime, link her up and bust a quickie. Or even in the traffic in the middle of the city, aye. She want